Peeling fruits and vegetables is one of the most daunting tasks in the kitchen when cooking or preparing meals. It is challenging, especially for senior citizens and other people who suffer from arthritis. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend Best Electric Peelers 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Yokbeer brand. Electric potato peeler, humanized button design, just gently press, start peeling automatically, can peel off potatoes, vegetables and fruits in seconds. Movable fixed needle can adapt to different vegetables and fruits' height. The robotized arm can adjust thickness and automatic balance in peeling process, keeps thickness uniformly. The head is made of high-quality stainless steel blade. The head can be rotated to achieve rapid peeling. To avoid the trouble of traditional kitchen knives hurt hands, repeated use will not rust, comes with 3 replaceable heads, use for a longer time. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Pogay brand. Why do you need the handheld electric peeler? One button start and stop, easy to use. Lightweight, small size and easy to carry. Advanced technology, easy to clean, washable and reusable. Unique 3-in-1 trio set, meets your all-purpose peeling task. 3 cutter heads. Comes with 3 different stainless steel blades of the vegetable peeler to meet your all-purpose peeling task. The traditional manual peeler is easy to hurt your hands. Stop using your traditional manual peeler and chose the handheld electric peeler. Number 3 in our top is from the Yokbeer brand. The electric peeler has a movable fixed needle that can adapt to different vegetable and fruit height. Bottom holder can fix vegetable and fruit in its rotation process. No need to hold the vegetable during peeling, safe to hands. Simply center your fruit or vegetable between the top and bottom of the food holder, then adjust the cutter arm height and press the button. Very soon, your food is peeled and ready to eat, cook, or bake. High-quality stainless steel blade peels fruits and vegetables faster. A potato can be peeled within 10 seconds. It just pares the skin without wasting any of the nutritious part. 2 kinds of power supply to make it work. Number 2 in our top is from the CHAOMIC brand. Comes with 5 interchangeable blades. We do our best to think what you want. No need to buy extra blades and other fruit peeling tools. Save your money. Sharp blades, stable and fast rotation. It allows you to solve the difficulty of peeling in a very short period of time. Peel potatoes, vegetables, and fruits in seconds. All you need to do is press the start button. It is the ideal helper for you. Selected high-quality stainless steel blades, faster peeling of fruits and vegetables. Just peel without wasting any nutritious parts. Durable ABS plastic non-slip base keeps you stable at your desk or other workplace. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. The number 1 product is part of the SUPOW brand. We test peeling many fruit and vegetables such as apples, potatoes, and oranges to find out that with its flexible and adjustable arms and sharp blade, even with irregular fruits and vegetable, it works very well and peels almost all skin except that small part of the top and bottom, with minimum wastage consumption. This electric potato peeler can fix the potato through the top movable fixed needle and the bottom holder, then just gently press the switch to start peeling automatically. A potato can be peeled within 10 seconds. The Rotato Express can peel potatoes, tomatoes, zucchini, apples, pears, oranges, lemons, persimmon, mango, kiwi, cucumber, radish, papaya, and some other smooth hard fruits and vegetables. Which electric peeler would you like to buy for your kitchen? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.